Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to upgrade MySQL from 5.7 to 8.0. First, let's check the operating system version of a test machine, and then install MySQL 5.7. Now open the Firefox browser and type mysql.com in the address bar. Click the Download button. Then click the MySQL Community Downloads link. Click the MySQL Community Server link. Click the Archive link. Select MySQL May 7th, 44 in the Product Version section. Select Oracle Linux in the Operating System section. Select Oracle Linux 764-bit in the Operating System Version section. Select the first version, right-click, and then click Copy Link. Then, back in the command line terminal, we use the Get tool to download the link. Now, unzip the package. After extracting the package, install MySQL 5.7. Start MySQL 5.7 now. MySQL 5.7 is running. In this step, we retrieve the temporary password from the MySQL logs and use it to change the root password. Let's check if the root password is valid. Download the sample database and import it into the database server. Please click the document link, then click More Links, scroll down the page, and copy the sample Sequela database download link. Let's use Get to download it too. Unzip the sample database package. enter the Sequela database folder. Now import the Sequela database into the database server. First, import the DDL SQL file, and then import the Data SQL file. Please check the Sequela schema that was just imported into the database server. All imports are working correctly. 3. Install MySQL shell and use Upgrade Checker utility. Continue by opening the website, clicking the download link, scrolling down the page, and then selecting the MySQL Community download link and opening it. Click the MySQL shell link, then click the archive link, click the product version button, and select version 8.0.43. Click the Operating System button, and then select Oracle Linux. Select Oracle Linux 7x64 in the Operating System version button. Click the first download button, right-click and select the Copy Link option, then use the Get tool to download. Let's install the MySQL shell package. Now comes an important step. Using the MySQL tool to check the compatibility of upgrading MySQL from 5.7 to 8.0. Let's execute the util.checkForServerUpgrade command. We should pay attention to errors, warnings, and notifications. Please check if this SQL syntax change alters the SQL logic or the SQL execution result. You should perform some tests to verify this. If so, simply modify the SQL and change system variables in the correct way. If you are using MySQL_native_password as the default plugin, you should add this line to your options file, because the new default authentication plugin is caching _password. For .shut down MySQL 5.7 and upgrade to 8.0. Stop MySQL 5.7 now. And check the current system's GNU lib version. Download the latest version of the MySQL 8 package now, based on your glibc version and system version. We select the first download button, right-click, and copy the download link, and then use the Get tool to download it. Unzip the software package. Move the MySQL binary folder so that we can manage it more easily. Create a link to the MySQL binary folder. And copy the startup script file to the init.d folder. Let's start the MySQL server using the latest version of the MySQL 8.0 binary. The MySQL_upgrade client has been deprecated in MySQL version 8.0. The upgrade process will start automatically when running a new MySQL binary with the old data directory. Therefore, we usually do not need to perform this step. Now, let's check the version of the running MySQL server, which is MySQL version 8.0.43.